As we all know, there are a lot of apps available in today's society. Some have helped to connect the world and make our day-to-day lives easier. But no app is perfect, and some are better than others. Take, for example, a fun application that allows you to alter your appearance in photos in any way you like. It might look harmless at first, but when delving deeper into the potential ramifications, you might find that the app reinforces unrealistic beauty standards, or that it might leak your private photos online. This is just an example, but the developers behind apps like this have a responsibility to see the bigger picture so that they might see the potential harm they can cause. Finding a way to promote this kind of thinking has been the purpose of our project. More specifically, finding a way to teach future developers how to reflect upon the consequences of their actions and the work they produce. Our approach to this problem was to design and implement a desktop game that can be used during lectures, and that teaches computer science students about ethical thinking along with their field of study. In the game, the player takes on the role of an App Store employee who is given a set of apps to review based on how ethically sound the descriptions of them are. To help the player reflect ethically, the game provides them with the ACM Code of Ethics, an ethical framework designed for computer professionals. With all this said, let's take a closer look at the game.
Okay, so as you can see, this is your first day as an App Store employee and you will review a set of applications. You are located at your desk and in front of you, you have your computer. And when clicking on the computer, you are presented with this user interface with 3 tabs, one for reviewing applications, one for email, and one for the ACM Code of Ethics. So let's try to evaluate this application. This application suggests using live facial recognition via surveillance cameras to find criminals. So to evaluate the app from an ethical standpoint, we have to first fill in this form specifying if the app breaks, follows, or is neutral with respect to the ACM codes. So looking at the 7 ACM codes, this app breaks the 6th principle, respect privacy, and seemingly follows the 2nd principle, avoid harm. So when filling in the form, we should put honored for code 2 and dishonored for code 6. And this type of reasoning should be done for all of the codes for all of the applications. So when you're done reviewing all of the applications, this summary screen shows up. It states what ethical codes you have broken during the game and when and why that happened. This will let you reflect on your choices and hopefully teach you to think more ethically next time.